Seem to be some red up in them.
Yeah.
Changes by, county almost.
Right. Okay, so it looks like you're at a horse farm.
This one coming up
Bear
there.
left.
That's a horse farm.
Bear left.
Here left. At the horse farm.
Wait, all straight, and then bear left.
Llamas.
In point three. How do we know we get point 3?
I don't know. Look.
Be too much more. It said about bearing left.
Should be a
Like there should be
sign.
another sign. Because he had the one there. What's going on? Oh, come on. Oh, that's mount. That's the mount. What's this over here about the tent and the blue sign? Yeah. Mount Grey Lake Campsite Park down here somewhere. Because it's close to this Mount Greylock. There's another blue sign.
Let's see right here.
15 Scott Road. He's kind of in the GPS system. We didn't need all this extra hoopla, really. But whatever. We're here. You had to press the button or something?
Oh, I guess. Shit. Hello, we called.
You want me to just walk up there?
Your call has been forwarded to voicemail. The person you're trying to
Yeah,
reach is not available.
He's not answering.
Please record your message. When you have finished recording, you may hang up.
Huh? Yeah, no answer. Hey, we're at the gate. We found you. We're at the gate. You want me to back up so you can go?
I'll just walk up there, okay?
Okay, you walk. My wife's gonna walk up there.
Welcome to Mount Campsite Park.
Hi, say we just called a bit ago to, we're here for a spot.
Are you checking in?
Yes.
Oh, all right. So I'm going to open the gate. You're going to pull straight forward toward the green tent.
Okay.
Come on in the welcome center, and I'll check you in.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
He looks like he needs space.
needs what?
Okay, that'd be
So this is the first bend, probably.
okay.
So it would be straight ahead.
Well, these are actually vacuums here.
And to the right when we get
Right here.
by 27. Not too far in.
28.
30.
See, those are big. We're the only small one. 32.
We're 34. It looks like a lot of space around everybody. Okay, so that's us right there.
Right there, 34.
That looks pretty big.
Finding level ground. Let's see if we can find level ground.
Might be a challenge. Now, you need me to get out and do any locating, or are you doing okay?
Is there a picnic table somewhere?
I see the fire pit tucked nicely over in the trees, and there's the power things coming up on this right-hand side some way. Do you see them over here?
Yeah. Right here. Yeah.
No, there was something over here, I thought, too.
No,
Maybe.
this is power and
Oh, okay.
now
All right.
check for level.
Does it feel level?
It
Feels a little low in the front,
on
doesn't
my
it? Yeah.
side. Like I might be able to move over there a little bit. Try the door first.
No, she was saying it's right straight closed.
Okay.
So we are low in the front.
Okay.
Get out and assess it a little bit.
Yeah, let me try and move over to where that.
There's a tree I see in there.
Okay, now try.
Feels a little better, doesn't it? It still feels a bit.
Door first.
Stay.
You need the light back there, baby.
No, there's sun coming in the window. It is a little bright. About a quarter of an inch.
Really? That much?
Yeah, it's. Oh. Something will roll it. Both ways, you're good.
No sewer to hook up. Well,
No sewer anywhere here, it's just gray water dump, right?
I don't think this is a good spot to hook up Elon Musk.
No,
Oh,
probably not.